A T-Rex. A T-Rex. A T-Rex. Green and bumpy, big and strong. Let's build him now, it won't take long. How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. Didadu TV, here we go. Digging the clay, what do we see? Old white bones for you and me. Build the skeleton piece by piece. Watch the dino magic increase.
Click the bones.
Cover the bones in green and brown. Best T-Rex in all the town. Make the skin bumpy, make it rough.
Claymation Dino, strong and tough.
Crest the skin, a giant tail to help him stand. Swish, 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 across the sand. Two tiny arms, so short and small. He's the cutest dino of them all.
Add the arms.
We squeeze, we grind, we mix it all.
Big surprises, even if they're small.
Clap, 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 now let's hear him. How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. Didadu TV, here we go. Big orange eyes, looking around.
Sharp white teeth.
Hear the sound, a happy smile, he's ready to play. Let's go back to the dino day.
We explored, we learned, and now we know.
T-Rex Dino,
Ready to go.